this video, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable sock gnomes. You will need different sock designs, yarn and fur for hair, pantyhose for nose, tiny rocks, and pillow fillers. Step 1 is to make the body. I am using tiny pebbles as the base to make it heavy enough for the gnome to stand. Then I fill the rest of the body with pillow stuffing. Do not fill it beyond the heel of the sock. You can stuff as much as you want to plump up the body. Then I tie the end with a rubber band. I cut off the sock just above my rubber band. I am making a girl gnome here, so I am taking strands of yarn as hair and tying it around the rubber band. The more yarn you use, the fuller her hair looks. I cut the ends of the yarn so I can braid her hair. I'm giving her braids, but you can be creative and give her a different hairstyle. I'm using the cuff end of the sock for the hat. Measure and cut 6 to 8 inches for the hat. Slip the beanie hat on the gnome. I tie the cuff with a ribbon. I also added a bell to the ribbon. To make the nose, I use a pom-pom and double layer the pantyhose over the pom-pom. Tie it with a rubber band, then cut off the remaining pantyhose. If you don't have nude color hosiery or stocking, then you can use flesh color round beads or clay. Attach the nose to the body with a hot glue gun. To add more accents, I add some buttons. To finish it off, I glue on the felt shoes. If you don't have any felt, you can use any fabric or cardboard as the shoes. For my second gnome, I am making a man with a beard. I follow the same steps for making the body and the nose. I glue the nose on first before I add on the beard. I cut out a square piece of fur for the beard and a long strip of fur as the hair. Cut a slit or U-shape to fit the shape of the nose. Then hot glue the top edge of the fur into the body. Now I'm ready to make a hat. I'm using an ankle sock in solid color. I cut the toe of the sock. Then I cut thin strips to make a hat with fringe edges. Slip on the beanie as far down to the nose to cover the top edges of the beard and the hairline. Tie the fringe ends of the beanie with a rubber band. You may want to add glue to the back end of the fur to secure it tightly. Trim the beard and the hair to your desired style. To finish it off, I glue on the felt shoes. These sock gnomes are so cute and easy to make. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!